that there are no nomadic life nowadays, but as you can see, those people are living here in the sticks. So we have left our houses over there, because there is not allowed, and as you see, the road is not good at all. So if you pay some money for them, you will be allowed to go. So in order to get to TEKES waterfall, we need to hike about 40 minutes. Not too much. We are wondering whether we are going right or no, whether we chose right path or no to the TEKES waterfall. Look at this river, if you can hear me. This river is TEKES. Now I will show you the waterfall over there, over those people. Very beautiful, outstanding view. Look at those rocks. I love them.